How this drone will save forests from wildfires in the USA. Drones, also known as UAS or unmanned aerial systems, are becoming more and more crucial in the battle against wildfires by aiding aerial igniting operations and providing information for firefighters. The ability of drones to fly while human aircraft are grounded for pilot safety is their main advantage. Now, drones are supposed to be used to protect American flora and fauna from sudden wildfires. But how? In this video, we'll discuss how this drone will save forests from wildfires in the USA. So keep watching to know more. Hello and welcome back everyone. Before we start, subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this and ring the notification bell. Having said that, let's begin. Consider the FWR-90, a fixed-wing drone with a 14-foot wingspan and an 8-hour flying duration that can go at 46 miles per hour. Just before sunset, when other manned planes are grounded, they are launched into the air. They own the skies, and they have a clear, real-time view of the fire from above. According to Justin Baxter, the National UAS Operations Specialist for the Forest Service, the way we use UAS presently is very much a compliment. There are several situations where using manned helicopters or fixed-wing aircraft is just not safe, such as during night operations, in dense smoke, or during strong winds. Baxter and his colleagues use drones that are outfitted with cameras that are unlike your typical cameras. The team can see through smoke and detect heat signatures, or thermal imaging at night, thanks to their variety of sensors, which include infrared. This makes it possible to locate places where the fire is still burning, as well as new locations where the flames have spread, like spot fires. When embers from the main fire are flung into the air and are carried by the wind until they fall to the ground and start a new fire, this is known as a spot fire. They first seem little and smoke reduces sight, making them famously difficult to spot. They could happen in locations that are challenging for firefighters to patrol, including down in drains or on steep slopes. Especially when an operational region might cover hundreds of thousands of acres, drones are revolutionizing the labor-intensive process of identifying these spot fires, according to Baxter. Fire managers and incident management teams can rapidly and efficiently scan broad regions with drones to find spot fires that may be a mile away from the main fire. Firefighters are then able to enter and put out those fresh beginnings before they spread. Minutes before departure to fly around the Six Rivers Lightning Complex fire at Willow Creek, California, Baxter pointed out to the imposing drone close to his left and remarked, "To give you an idea, this drone can identify a 2x2-inch spot fire from a half a mile away." Since the government started the UAS program in 2015, according to Baxter, a lot has happened. Teams using incident management have included this capacity in their plans, and more as time goes on. Firefighters on the ground and the UAS crew may communicate with each other in both ways. A hotshot team may receive the information from the drone if it notices heat in the region while it is in the air. On the other hand, the hotshot crew can request the UAS crew's help in investigating a location they believe may be active and then watch a feed from the drone of that location. When California Interagency Incident Management Team 15 reacted to the Lightning Complex fire in the Six Rivers National Forest, John Crotty served as the branch director for air operations. About the recently decommissioned Cobra helicopter and its firewatch capabilities, Crotty emphasized that aerial intelligence is nothing new in the battle against wildland fires. However, the consequences of unmanned flying present new opportunities. We required a pilot and an interpreter for the Cobra aircraft to operate the camera and communicate with the people on the ground. Therefore, we put 2 people in danger along with a flight, Crotty said. But what we truly needed was the visibility to fly. Man-made aircraft may be grounded by dense smoke from fires like the Lightning Complex. Drones can help in this situation, and the pictures they take can help firemen operating across a wide region. I just received a call from one of the hotspot crews. They were in a situation with a lot of smoke at night. They were unable to detect if there was a spot fire across the line due to the poor visibility, according to Crotty. Drones are the future of aviation, not only for firefighting but for all types of flying. The drone team was able to locate the location and provide the firemen accurate coordinates so they could check it out and put it out, thanks to this tool being up in the air. The most crucial factor is that we can do it safely. And that concludes our video today. We sincerely hope you liked the video. Please click the like button if you did. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.